Good morning, my friends. If you want to cross a river, you need a boat or a bridge over it. At the same way, if you want to reach your goal, if you want to shine in life, if you want to open the closed doors before you, you need to learn English. Because English is a tool, English is a technology using which you can reach your goal, you can fulfill your desire. So, my friends, don't hesitate, don't pause, keep on learning and boost up your career. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.